the so-called Asos of India wants to tap up investors for a further £50 million to speed up its growth plans. Selling Western fashion to Asian audiences, Coops has established itself as one of India's most popular budget fashion brands. However, in a trading update, it warned sales are likely to be lower when it reports its full-year results later this year. But investors did not react well after discovering Coops has £3.5 million spare cash against monthly expenses of £750,000. Having spent a few days with Coops in Delhi, we believe all the ingredients are in place, only the pace is uncertain. Shares still dropped by a whopping 51.4%, or 5.4p, to 5.1p. Markets were twitchy amid friction between the government and the EU over what to do about the border with Ireland after Brexit. The standoff hit the pound, which fell against the euro. The FTSE 100 also ended the day down, falling 0.78%, or 56.27 points, to 7,175.64. Currency concerns weighed on Rentokil Initial, whose shares had a day to forget. The FTSE 100 pest control specialist reported an 11.3% rise in revenue to £2.4 billion and a 22.8% rise in profits to £294.6 million. But investors were spooked by a warning buried in its results announcement that its profits could be dented by the strengthening pound. Shares plunged 9.2%. or 26.5p, to 263.1p on the FTSE 250. A bullish outlook for 2018 pushed out and joinery shares up 8.2%, or 36.2p, to 480.3p. Just look at the fact that builders merchant Travis Perkins, estate agent Foxtons and house builder Taylor Wimpey all saw their share prices weaken on Wednesday as the market reacted negatively to all things related to the property sector. At the other end of the FTSE 250, Toby van der Meer, the new boss of insurer Hastings, had a baptism of fire. Despite the insurer increasing its market share, revenue and profits last year, Investors were disturbed by warnings of slower premium growth as a result of intense competition. Its shares dived 12%, or 37.6p, to 275p. Civil engineer Costin gave investors something to cheer about after recommending a 10% increase in the dividend, on the back of solid results. The road and railway designer increased pre-tax profit by 26% and revenue by 7%.